before the icy rain falls. Footsteps echo in the quiet night halls. Streetlights flicker in a ghostly parade. I can hear the whispers that shadows have made. Breath cold dances in the crisp winter's air. Frosty night with a hint of despair. Heart beats faster like a beat in a song. Footsteps echoing the rhythm all along. Sipping coffee with Aurora by my side. Windows reveal the forest snowy and wide. Warmth inside while the world turns to ice. Moments so simple but oh so nice. Cozy fire and a blanket's tight embrace. Dreaming of tomorrow and a slower pace. Snowflakes twirl in a delicate ballet. Aurora purrs and the worries stray. Guitar strings softly strum the melody. Notes float gently like a winter's tree. Warmth and music weave a tapestry so grand. In the cozy corner